Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get this radiant look. The way you see yourself is the way you see the world. Here is a look that will transform your aura from the inside out. Bring out the warmth of your eyes, the softness of your gaze, and radiate confidence in jewel tones. To set the foundation for this look, let's start by applying a serene jade hue over the lids. Jade signifies balance and is known as the jewel of heaven. The softness of this natural green shade by Urban Decay will help draw attention to your eyes. Next, brighten the eyes with a touch of light by applying a matte light cream shade to the inner corners. The eyes are the windows to the soul. Glide a gleam of white eyeliner in the shade Milk by NYX Cosmetics on the waterline. Pat a matte cream shade along the bottom of your brows to define them and illuminate your brow bone. And here I'm taking a little needed selfie break. So after that, let's add a tiger's eye inspired silky luster of red brown with pink glimmer onto the eyes. This tiger's eye blend signifies inner strength. Add this color to the outer corners of your lids to create a subtle gradient into the green shade. Next, I'm going to add a matte copper red to add some dimension and depth to my eyes. After that, I'm going to add this matte light peach pink shadow as a transition color slightly over top the copper shade. This is going to really soften and blend out that color. Now I'm taking that same matte copper shade and just using it as a bottom liner. So as you can see here, I'm just swiping that very precisely underneath my eye. I had seen Jaclyn Hill do this back in the day and I just love how it looks. Then I'm going to add in a pop of silver right in the inner corners for a little bit of sparkle. Now I'm going to do my blush. This is a very pretty and vibrant coral blush. I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks very precisely, as well as on the tip of my nose, and I'm just blending that out here with my Real Techniques brush. As you can see, I'm really concentrating that on the apples of my cheeks and then just blending softly upwards. This is going to match perfectly with the pink and copper shades that we used on the eyes. And this is what it looks like after I've blended everything out. I'm going to be using this Marc Jacobs red lipstick and just applying that all over my lips very precisely. Let's do the eyes. I'm applying this black liquid eyeliner to create a subtle wing. When you're creating your wing, just think of it as the extension of the lash. So it's this very soft and subtle, cute wing. Now I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes. I love doing my bottom lashes especially. It just makes my eyes have this really dolly eye effect. For eyeliner, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm just going to focus that right in the center of my eyes. Now we're going to go in with the NARS concealer. This shade is a light to medium with warm undertones and a peach tone. I'm applying that with my Real Techniques face brush, and I'm just going to concentrate that right underneath my eyes and a bit on the T-zone, so on my forehead, and just blending that out just to brighten the area a little bit. This is what I use for my foundation. I use the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation in the shade 4.0. If you're looking for a high coverage foundation, I definitely recommend this. It's really good for photography. And this is the finished look. I love how it came out. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, let me know if you've tried any of these products. I love hearing from you guys in the comments. If you're already a subscriber, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see next. Wherever you are, I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. See you soon. Bye.